Welcome to CD Processing. In this video, we'll explain the logic and processes which underlie the CD processing technology and show how it helps our customers. In a typical mine environment, copper ore is mined, crushed, and fed into a concentrator. It's a well-established process and hasn't changed a lot in decades. It works, it does the job, but there is scope to do things better. The decision as to which ore is categorized as waste and which ore is economically viable is determined whilst the ore is still in the ground by reference to drill data and the mine plan. Below a certain cutoff grade, the ore is sent to waste stockpiles. The problem with this approach is that ore just below the cutoff is sent to waste piles even though there is still copper contained in this ore. CD Processing's patented system allows this discarded low-grade ore to be analyzed and the parts of it containing economically viable copper ore recovered. The post-mining process is simple. Ore is crushed and moved to the mill and concentrator via a series of conveyors. CD Processing can work in various ways to fit with a customer's requirements, but the principle remains the same. We introduce one or more analyzers and a diverter into the flow of copper ore, which measure the copper contained in the ore passing on a conveyor. When the ore passing is of a grade which the mine considers economically viable, the ore is diverted to the mine's concentrator. But where the measured grades are below a predetermined cutoff, the inert ore is diverted to a second stockpile which can be crushed and used as a construction aggregate. When choosing a cutoff grade, we will look at the particular ore body characteristics of an individual mine. When we look at the marginal ore, we find the grades normally distributed. The cutoff is always determined in conjunction with our customers, and in fact can be changed dynamically throughout the day. A higher cutoff will give a higher average grade to the concentrator, but a lower volume of ore. Yield and upgrade have an inverse relationship, and the exact proportions will be determined by the heterogeneity of the ore body. CD Processing has already recovered millions of tons of profitable copper ore for our clients, which would otherwise have gone to waste. Our clients have also been able to utilize the inert byproduct as a building aggregate and a new revenue stream. CD Processing is using cutting-edge analysis and data to boost copper mine profitability and reduce waste and production costs.